Hey guys, it's CandyToyBox. Today I'll be doing a rating my fidgets. So we have all my fidgets right here. And we're gonna start from, I don't know, let's just start. Jumbo Poppet. I like it a lot, but it's like kind of hard if you want the good side, cause like you have to pop all of these. So I'll rate it a 9.5, so a 9 all the way in the front and then a 5 in the back for a 9.5. Pretty good. Okay, next fidgets. I'm gonna put those fidgets over. Okay, so this fidget is the jumbo pop, not the jumbo poppet, the 100-piece poppet. It's a really good one. I'm gonna rate this 10 out of 10. This is another 100-piece poppet that we made crayons out of. And this is a really good one. So I'll rate it a 9, not 9.5, so just a 9. So this keyboard poppet, I like it a lot. It's pretty good, but I don't really like how it's so many boxes here. So I'll rate that a 7 out of 10. This puzzle poppet, all the puzzle pieces are missing. Well, now all of them are. So I don't like how it like splits, but also it's a really good poppet. So a 9.5. Pretty good poppet actually. It's just, I don't like how they all split so much. Next, this board game poppet. I love it a lot, but like, I don't like how sometimes when a grown-up pops it, like me and my grandma were playing this, and basically like they kept popping up, and I don't like that. And like it keeps doing that for me too. So I'm gonna rate that, I'm gonna rate it a 10, cause it's still a great poppet. I still love it a lot, just sometimes it does that. But it's pretty good. I like it. So it's a 10 out of 10. This poppet, it's great. I love it. I will rate it, I guess. No. 9. A 9. This poppet, I mean, I like it, but like, the pops are so big. But it's a really good poppet, but no one, like for some reason, no one wants to offer for it if I try to trade it. So, okay. 4 out of 10, 4 out of 10. This fake dimple digits, it's pretty good, but like, it doesn't pop that well, so. And I don't like how it says like this in the middle too. So I'm gonna rate it a 3 out of 10. A 3. This dimple, I like it a lot, but it's just kind of hard to pop. 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. Let's do this poppet. It's good, but it has holes in it, so I'm gonna rate it a 10 2. It's a 2 out of 10. It's a 2 out of 10. Let's do that. His French fry poppet, it's hard to pop, and I don't like it at all. So a 1 out of 10 for me. My brother loves it, but just me, I just don't like it. 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 I just don't. So this poppet, pretty good. So we'll rate it a 4 out of 10. This stress ball, I like it a lot, but it's just so big. And like, what's the need? So I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10. Oh, I gotta put that there. Okay. This water snake, it feels like it's gonna pop right now. So I'm gonna rate it a 1 out of 10 because it just feels like it's gonna pop. I don't like that. It's a 1 out of 10. 1. So now this. You know what? No, that stress ball, that deserves at least a 5 out of 10. It's a good, okay, I'm redoing that one. That's a 5 out of 10, that big stress ball. This one, I'm not even gonna give it a 1. It's the worst stress ball I've ever used. It's a 0. I hate it. It's a 0. A big fat 0. This is like the worst thing I've ever used. Look, it doesn't even do anything. Worst. Yeah, I know I'm not even gonna rate it. No, I am, but I'm not even gonna tell you what it is. It's a 10 out of 10s. Then this squishy, I'm gonna get the rating sign. 6 out of 10. It is such a 6 out of 10. I was born and I was like, I'm a 6. I'm 6 out of 10. This slime is old-ish and like, I put Play-Doh in it, but it still is not working-ish. And I don't like it. But like, I need to give everything a chance. Like, this, but at the bottom, it's just like, it's more like, I don't even want to tell you. Just, oh. 2 out of 10.
This Rubik's Cube.
I can't even solve it. Where is the number? Where is my numbers? 1 out of 10. I can't solve Rubik's Cube. Catnado. No, not even that. A 107 out of 10. 107 out of 10. Or no, a 710. It's a 710. Okay. This slime is actually really cool. Look. So it starts off greasy. Look. See this. See how it's so greasy, but once I touch it, and I'm gonna get it out of the container and I'll show you guys what I mean. It's so good. We're not gonna be able to finish all my fidgets, but we'll try. We'll try. I'm gonna rate that a 10 out of 10. This is my brother's snapper, but I don't know. I still wanna rate it. It doesn't really snap. So I'm gonna rate that 3 out of 10. This sand, for one, this isn't stretchy. It was called Stretchy Cloud Cotton Candy Slime. It doesn't smell like cotton candy. It doesn't stretches. And it doesn't stretchy. It's not stretchy. It doesn't stretch. And it stains my hands purple. Like this? No. A big fat 0 again. The worst fidget I've ever had. So this squishy is brand new. A 1 out of 10, and that's the end of the video. Guys, like and subscribe, and turn on post notification. Oh wait, they don't have that. So like and subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite kind of Poppet / fidget is. Goodbye.